Hey everybody, so are you tired of Filament not showing up to your house every month? Then you need to unleash the beast and get Rhino Reel. Alright everybody, I am Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D, and if you are new here or you haven't yet done it, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. The thumbs up, of course, is always appreciated as well. All seriousness now, this is the Rhino Reel box, which is a monthly subscription box that you sign up for. You can choose your colors, and one of the options is mystery color. And it is a very cool service. So it comes to your house every month.
Can you open it now?
You can skip a month. You can pause it anytime that you want to, but you get two 750 gram spools.
You kind of need to cut.
I got to cut the side too. Super taped. And so we have picked one color, and we picked the mystery color. So we are hoping that the mystery color is something mysterious. Well, that's an interesting box. I'm not sure how to get into this box.
I'm very confused.
All right, hang on. Let's just make sure that we got... Oh, it's two boxes put together, that's why.
Oh, that would make sense.
Well, there's so much beast in there that they have to contain it. Now, is that one cut?
Yeah, I'll open this box.
All right, and I will continue to cut 4 miles of tape on this box.
Ooh.
That looks like you got the mystery filament.
That's very, very pretty.
And I got the color I asked for.
You asked for orange?
I did ask for orange because we don't have a lot of orange.
To be fair, yes, but...
And it's funny, the mystery filament is a blue. We got orange and blue. Go Gators! So let's give everybody a look at that. So again, that's a 750 gram roll, a 3/4 kilo. And this does work with the MasterSpool setup. And that's the mystery filament.
Yeah, that does not serve that justice.
No, it really doesn't. In fact, this is the same mystery filament that was used by and sent to us by Tyler during a mailbag, and that's what it looks like.
Oh, that's what it is.
That's what it is, absolutely.
Oh,
so,
well, let me take my filament and put it in my secret stash of filament.
You have a secret stash of filament?
Yes.
All right, so if you guys are interested in getting the Rhino Reel, I definitely suggest it. It's a great deal. It's now cheaper. I'm not even going to mention the price here because this video will live on forever. But if you head to rhinoreel.com, and we will put the URL right here. And you can sign up to get Rhino Reel for yourself.
And I can have this one.
Oh, you think so, huh?
Yeah, that's fair.
So, and you can either print the MasterSpool. We use the Slant spool system, which is pretty cool because the two halves are exactly the same and they go together. The packages do include some twist tie in there so that you can re-secure the filament and take it off of the spool if you want to swap if you don't have enough spools printed. But this filament it's pretty spectacular. It was actually a sample of it was in the recent maker box, as well as we have a roll of the yellow and a roll of the purple.
It's hard to see.
I don't think you're supposed to see through there. Really, that's where we're going with this? So definitely go check out Rhino Reel. Check out their filament. At least give them a shot. You're going to fall in love with this filament as well as it prints. So go check out Rhino Reel. Get signed up. Let us know what you think about it. We definitely like it. We definitely recommend it. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Rhino Reel Unboxing. Something weird going on around here. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. Thumbs up is always appreciated as well. As always, print on. Unleash the beast and get Rhino Reel.